Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add bestseller products on your storefront or on any other page that you might be interested in. So let's jump right into it. First, ensure you're logged into the admin page, and then under the extension section select modules and scroll down to best sellers. If you've not installed it, ensure it has been installed, and then click on the blue button to edit it. Once it's done, you'll be able to add new. Okay, so for this one I'll just give it a name like bestseller YouTube test. Okay, then let me just use a vertical one. Then for the limit, I'll set the products. So this is the number of products, like the top 5 products that should be shown. Then for the image width and height, you can leave it like that, or edit depending on your theme, then enable it. Once you've done, click save. Then you can generate bestsellers lists right here. So you can go to report and you can see so far we only have 2 products. Okay. So once you've done that, now it's time to show it. And for you to show it, you need to go under design section, layouts, and I'll still show it on the home page. So let me remove some of these, then add that. Okay. So once you've added it on the layout, so you can add on any layout. For this video, I'm just using the home page. So ensure you've saved, and when you refresh, we should be able to see 2 products right there as bestsellers. Again, you can do some modification to ensure that it works as per your requirements. If you are struggling with that, you can reach out so I can help. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. See you.